Welcome, today I'm showing how to link or unlink your Google Assistant option from Power Key into your Xiaomi 13 Lite. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings option. In this menu find Gensler shortcuts option, and here we got our launch Google Assistant option. Now it's activate, so if we tap one more time we disable this option. So here we got press and hold the power key for half second. Let's try press and hold, and how you can see our Google Assistant is activated. Disable this option and let's try again press and hold, and we got our turn off menu. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.